Are you a small business owner or startup struggling to get the funding you need? Have you faced rejection after rejection from lenders? Or worse, do you avoid applying for funding altogether because you're afraid your credit won't hold up? These challenges stop many businesses from reaching their true potential, but they don't have to stop you. The truth is, most small business owners face these same pain points. 1. Limited access to funding. Lenders often prioritize established businesses. 2. Confusing requirements, not knowing what lenders look for or how to prepare. 3. Reliance on personal credit, putting your own financial future at risk. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone, but you don't have to face it alone. That's where Freedom BCA comes in. Our Business Credit Academy isn't just a program. It's a proven system to help small businesses overcome funding obstacles, build strong business credit, and gain the tools to succeed. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pre-qualification. We start with a free pre-qualification scan to assess your current eligibility for funding. No guesswork, just clear, actionable insights tailored to your business. Step 2. Build business credit. Next, we guide you through the exact steps to establish and grow your business credit scores quickly and effectively. This ensures your business can stand on its own, independent of your personal credit. Step 3. Access funding. Finally, once your credit is established, we connect you to over 3,000 vendors and lenders offering lines of credit for everything your business needs: equipment, supplies, marketing, and more. Think you can't qualify because of past credit issues? Think again. Freedom BCA was designed with you in mind. If you've been declined in the past, our system helps you fix the gaps and try again successfully. If you're just starting a business, we'll show you how to build credit from scratch. If you've been afraid to apply, our step-by-step system gives you the confidence to move forward. But that's not all. The Freedom BCA success system goes beyond just credit building and funding. We also help you optimize your local search rankings to attract more customers, improve your online reviews and star ratings for better credibility, enhance your social media engagement to grow your audience. This isn't just about funding, it's about building a strong, bankable business that's set up for long-term success. And here's our promise to you. Once you complete the Freedom BCA program, we guarantee you'll secure at least $50,000 in aggregate funding. If you don't, your membership fees are waived, and you'll continue to have access to the platform and a dedicated funding advisor until you reach that milestone. Plus, every dollar of your membership fees is applied toward closing costs on future funding deals. Getting started is easy and affordable. For just $689 upfront and $189 per month, or an annual plan for $1,699, you'll have everything you need to build credit, access funding, and grow your business. Imagine what you could accomplish with $50,000 or more in funding for your business. With the right credit, the right guidance, and the right system, the possibilities are endless. Don't let fear, rejection, or credit challenges hold you back. Take the first step toward building the business you've always dreamed of. Run your free pre-qualification scan today and join the thousands of business owners who have transformed their futures with Freedom BCA. Freedom BCA, your path to business success.